If you want to add a custom or made up location to your Instagram story like Dreamland or best coffee spot ever, Instagram doesn't let you create new locations directly inside the app, but there's a little trick and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. First of all, you need a Facebook account linked to your Instagram. Next, open the Facebook app on your phone and then tap on the What's on your mind to start creating a new post. After that, tap on the check-in. Now in the search bar, type your custom location name like coffee spot or anything you want. Then scroll down and choose a location you want and choose a category and then tap on create. Finally, tap on post and now your custom location is saved in Facebook's database. After that, go back to your Instagram app and take or upload your story. Here, tap on the sticker icon at the top and after that, tap on the location sticker. Now, search for the custom name you just created. Finally, tap on it and it will appear on your story just like any other location. And that's all. You've just added your very own custom location to your Instagram story. Use it to stand out, get creative, or just for fun. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.